Well, as we celebrate Independence Day, many Americans will light the sky up with fireworks. But for our furry friends, loud noises can cause severe anxiety. CBS 19's Kinley Hargett explains how we can help.
Veterinarians and dog owners have come up with ways to make dogs feel safe in any situation.
People and dogs have the same experiences.
Army veteran Chris Bridges relies on his service dog for help during difficult times. But as his dog Ramrod comforts him, he helps Ramrod when he is scared.
Explosions in the sky, light going off, so thunder going off, storms going off around them. They get scared of that kind of thing.
Pets can become so frightened that they run away from home.
Because of these kind of instances, this is when you need to have dogs that are chipped. This is when you need to have dogs with tracking collars on when things like this happen so you can find your animals.
One of the most popular ways of helping your pet is slipping on a Thunder shirt.
We were thinking about getting a vest. It's like a Thunder vest. It just kind of makes the dog feel more secure. I'm not sure exactly what it does, but it makes the dog feel safer.
Adding a sense of comfort to your dog, the Thunder shirt is a unique vest that applies gentle, constant pressure to your dog, similar to swaddling a baby. Veterinarians tell me adding that layer of comfort will make your pet think they're not alone. Other ways to help your pet include holding your pet during the noise, placing a blanket over the dog's crate to reduce noise level, expose your dog to loud noises, and speak with your veterinarian about medications.
Be kind to these animals and respect these feelings.
Reporting in Longview, Kinley Hargett, CBS 19.